Hello everyone, welcome back for another practice mobility for today. Take your mat, let's get started. Take a deep breath first. Then we exhale. One more. Then we exhale. Knees, arms on the ground. Now let's just move first. We're gonna go straight into down dog. Breathe 5 to 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. The right one opens towards the side. Hold. Thoracic spine flexion. Hold 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Left one. Hold 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Right arm slides towards the left side. Left arm opens up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Left arm opens up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Take a deep breath. We're gonna go into upper facing dog. Look up. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back again. Toes on the ground. We go to down dog. Breathe. Hold down dog for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg steps forward. Right one keep it straight. Rotate towards the left side and slide down. Feel the stretch on the left side, also your back. And back to down dog. Inhale deeply, exhale. We're going to switch sides. Step with the right leg forward, switch to left. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back again to down dog. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank position. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we go back to down dog, elevating the right foot up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna switch. Right leg towards the ground, left leg up, and hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. Left leg on the ground. Down dog. Take a deep breath. Knees on the ground. Release. Place your arms closer. Lock your core low back. Pike your back. Left leg go fully straight. We're going to elevate your left leg up 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. We're going to hold. Right arm fully straight. We're going to hold 10 seconds. Left leg straight. Right arm straight. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Right leg straight. Left leg. Right leg. We're gonna elevate straight up. And 10, 2, nice. 3. Lock your core low back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lock. Left arm straight forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back again. Take a deep breath. Down dog. Hold. Try to reach with your heels the ground. Try to keep your legs straight, lengthening through the spine. Keep holding 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground, straight away. Right after plank position. Left leg in front, right leg back. We're gonna hold this way, side plank. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Left arm on the ground. Switch your hip. Push from your hips, butt, core, everything. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We continue with switching again. We're gonna elevate the left leg off the ground. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching again. Elevating right foot off the ground. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in the middle plank position on the elbows. Keep holding 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down on your chest. Take a deep breath. Working with our legs only. Legs together. We're going to squeeze up and down. Here we go. 20, 2, 3, 4. Higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2. Push. 3. Higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Toes on the ground. Elbows closer. From here, we're going to pike up and push our body straight up. Pike push and down. Pike push and down. Here we go. 20. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 2, 3. Lower back should be straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay. We continue. Lie down on your back. From here, straight away, bend your right leg, left leg, elevate it up 90 degrees. Keep holding 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. Keep pushing with your left up, bend your right. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly flat back on the ground. We're gonna open your knees towards the side. Your toes and heels should be together. We're gonna elevate your butt off the ground. We're gonna hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep pushing. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back, flat back. We're gonna elevate your legs 90 degrees, straight arms in front. From here, we're gonna work on our core. So left leg go fully straight forward, arms right backward. We're gonna switch, we're gonna change. 2, here we go, 20, 3, now just move. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, keep pushing. 2, nice. 3, flat back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 legs on the ground. We're gonna elevate your off the ground, squeeze your glutes, push up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, step more forward with your legs. The angle should be wider. You will feel your lower back, also you will feel your butt, also you will feel your hamstrings. Keep holding 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight from here, we're gonna open your knees outside. Keep pushing your butt up and keep holding 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead. 6, 5, 4, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, nice, just move, release. Straight legs up, straight arms. From here, nice, just move. We're gonna drive only your legs down. 20 and 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, straight legs. 7, flat back. 8, 9, 10, go ahead. 1, keep pushing. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Slowly up. Let's move straight into down dog. Take a deep breath. And down dog. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we bring your arms closer. Then we're gonna push down. We're gonna bend slightly our elbows closer to your body. We're gonna push down slowly backward. Here we go. 10 and 2. Shoulders drive forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not bad. 9, last one. 10, and back. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Left leg in front. Rotate your pelvis. Drive your hip forward. Arms straight forward. We're gonna open your right arm to the side. Then we'll drive backward. And again, open. So your head is following your arm. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Now we'll switch. Take a deep breath. Same happens with the left. And back. Lock your core low back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, one more. 12, and release. Take a deep breath. Let's finish with getting calm, nice and smooth, knees on the ground, arms on the ground. We're gonna pike or back. Take a deep breath. We're gonna arch and look up. One more. And exhale. Okay, down dog. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Thank you, my friends. Well done. Keep moving. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.